Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about normalized data heatmap. Let me first of all reduce the size of the figure. I want a figure 4 by 3, so it's smaller now. We can discuss it better. So now you see that all the annotation on the cells, so all the text on the cells, the numbers, they are normalized, so they are between 0 and 1. This is the scale. How we can have a normalized data heat map. First, we are having the size. Then again, I'm generating a table of 5 by 5, or let's say a matrix between 1 and 99 because the ending point is exclusive. We are having days and times here to work with the data. Then we would like to normalize the generated data. Okay. In order to do that, we are having the formula. This is a famous formula. We are having the data minus the, let's say, the minimum. So the current value minus the minimum value of the data set. And all of this is divided by the maximum number in our data set minus the minimum number. Okay. Using this formula, we can normalize all the elements. So for example, if this number is 60, 60 minus the 60 will be the data minus the minimum of the data set divided by the maximum minus minimum. Then again, we do this, for example, this number minus minimum divided by the maximum minus minimum. Okay, but not exactly this number because this is already normalized. So the number that was here, for example, in this cell, we were having number 60, and in this cell, we were having number, for example, 26, let's say, just an example. Then this 60 is used as data in this formula. So 60 minus minimum divided by maximum of the data set minus minimum, it will be, just imagine that it will be 0.22. So this 0.22 is placed here. Then in order to obtain this 0.8, we are having the 26. For example, the original number was 26 before normalization. 26 minus the minimum of the data set divided by maximum minus minimum, it will be, for example, 0.8. And we do it for all the cells, and then we reach to a table which is normalized that we are having here. Okay. So we use we use this formula and the table that we generated here to have the normalized data. Then we use the heat map function. We want to have the heat map on our normalized data. We are having the annotation, so annote equals true because we want to see these numbers on each cell. We choose the color cool warm and the line width is 0.5, and then we are having the title. So in this video we learned how we can have a normalized data heat map. Thank you for watching.